Hello everyone. In this video we will see that how we can set up the route approval feature in CRM. So the very initial step for setting up a route approval feature in the CRM is firstly you need to set up a approval hierarchy. So when you log in into your CRM, go to the configurations. Under configurations, go to FSM and then click on F settings. Under F settings, there is an option of route approval. By default, it is disabled. To make it enable, click on the toggle button and then to create a new route approval, click on plus icon. Here, firstly, you need to select the user who will be creating a route here. Let's suppose Hargobind is a sales rep and he will be creating a route. Next, you need to select the approver who will approve the route for this particular user. So let's suppose a department from support team will approve it. The third option is of a select master approver. And the master approver works like that. If in any case the manager of that sales rep is unable to approve, then the master approver can approve it. Once approval workflow is set, click on save. Now let's create a new route. Just a test route for now, and I'll save it. Now a route has been created, and here it will show me under the initiations that this particular route is for pending on the approval stage. So now what a manager will see, to approve the route, manager will go to his routes. Under their route approval, he will be able to see the request which has been submitted by a user for route approval. You click on it. There are two options, to approve or to decline. So once manager approve the route and confirm, this particular route will be moved to the approved status. That means this route has been approved and now the salesperson can start this particular route. So this is how a route approval works. And if the manager declines the route, then salesperson will not able to see that particular route in his route list on the mobile application, and also will be not able to start the route. Thank you.